Maki maintenance as of July 2031. Check bottle 20 times. Check ink tank level. Okay pa naman po yan. Nozzle check and head clean. Head clean. After nozzle check, after head clean, nozzle check. Good naman po yung nozzle check. Then wipe UV lamp with water. Then wipe UV head area with cleaning solution. Yan po, napunasan ko na lahat. And then remove dust within printing area.